Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day to everyone. My name is Muhammad Dia Hafriz bin Kamel and today I will be presenting my review on innovation in mobile and remote inspection technologies for the construction industry, uh, covering from 2020 to 2025. This work was carried out in collaboration with my colleague and is presented at the Negeri Sembilan International Exposition and Research Symposium 2025. Okay, let's start. This study is look at how the inspection technologies have evolved in the construction industry over the 5 years. We focus on the digital tools, mobile system, drone, UAV, building information modeling such as BIM, and the IoT enable sensors. So our findings show that these technologies improve efficiency, safety, and the sustainability. But the challenge is like the data quality, the standardization, and the operability remains. So actually, uh, the construction industry has traditionally relied on the manual inspection method, which are often time-consuming and prone to error. Actually, this is important. The study is important because in Malaysia, we have like more than 80,000 contractor in Malaysia alone. And almost majority of them usually use a manual inspection method. And if we see the trend in the global trend, we could see that they are moving from manual inspection to mobile and remote inspection. In the recent year, we can see that the new tools have emerged. For example, such as the real-time defect logging and the compliance checklist are now available on the mobile device. So it much more easier for the construction player, for the construction supervisor, because they just bring their mobile compared to the existing practice. We have to print the paper and we have to bring the paper to the site and we have to check according to the paper. So if the paper has lost, so it will make the inspection like not valid, or sometime uh, we need to re-inspect back the work that we have checked before. Despite this innovation, the small, medium-sized enterprise like SME often face like challenge to adopt them, mainly due to the cost and the limited technical capacities. So the main objective of this review are threefold. That is the first, to analyze the latest innovation in mobiles and remote inspection technologies. The secondly is to identify the benefits, challenges, and opportunity for the SME for them to adopt the advancement of this technology. And thirdly, to provide the recommendation for the implementation of this technology within the broader vision of the construction 4.0. So the methodology that we use is to achieve this objective, we conduct a structured literature review using a Scopus database. Our search covered from January 2020 to July 2025. And initially, we retrieved nearly 1,800 records after few screening, we narrowed the list to almost 700. That is 673 papers that we analyze that are relevant to this study. These were grouped into thematic clusters such as BIM integration, UAVs, AI-based defect detection, digital twins, and SME adoption. From these, we were able to compare the trend and benefit and also the barrier across the studies. Our analysis show that the digital and ICT framework dominated the field with 317 papers. 317 studies has focusing on the platform like BIM and mobile inspection system. So it's mean that this is the trend, the global trend. All of the developed country have used the BIM with the integration of mobile inspection system. Hence, it make the quality, the cost effective, and the work much more efficient. The second one is the construction material and method. This has been discussed by with 200 papers. And after that, with the AI and machine learning are the another major cluster with 150 paper, particularly on the computer vision and the predictive modeling for the defect detection. So they can detect a little bit early, and they know how to manage the defect better compared to the manual system that when the defect have shown, then we will strategize the work according to the defect that emerge. We also found that the UAV based inspection appear in only 11 papers, but they are strategically important, especially for the hazardous or the hard to reach area. If you can see, it's really hard if it is high-rise building, like on top of the roof of the building, we need tools to inspect. But it's actually a few paper that cover about the UAV-based inspection. So from this paper, we can see the benefit are clear. The inspection become faster, more accurate, more transparent. However, the barrier remain the same. It's also like high implementation costs, lack of digital literacy, and uh, one of the barrier is if there is a poor connectivity at that place, especially for the SME company. Okay, this is the summarize the distribution of the technologies studied from 2020 to 2025. You can see the digital and ICT framework leading with 317 papers, followed by the construction materials and method, that is 200 papers. After that, AI and machine learning, that is 150. IoT, robotic, and UAV have smaller but still significant contribution, while emerging technologies like digital twins and mixed reality are gaining traction for the global trend. To conclude this study, to conclude this, we can say that the mobiles and remote inspection technologies are transforming the construction quality management. ICT, AI, and new material dominate the research, but UAV, IoT, and robotic remain underutilized. For the SME, in particular, adoption will require affordable solution targeted like training and supportive regulation. Uh, Looking ahead, integrating the ICT, AI, the drone, UAV, IoT, and digital twins will be critical to achieving the goal of Construction 4.0, namely to improve the productivity, safety, and sustainability. And with this, I end with thank you.